If you're like most people, you've probably experienced a financial crunch at some point in your life. Maybe you had an unexpected expense, a medical emergency, or just ran out of cash before payday. Whatever the reason, you needed money fast, and not just a few bucks, but a decent amount like 50K. But finding online jobs that pay you quickly is not easy. Many online employers take weeks or even months to process your payments, leaving you in a tight spot. That's why we created this guide to help you find legit online jobs that pay weekly. Whether you're looking for part-time or full-time work, you can start earning money from home in no time and get paid within a week or less. Here is a list of legit online jobs that pay through mobile money. Here, you'll find both part-time and full-time work-at-home jobs that you can start today and have cash in your account in 7 days or less once the work is complete. Number 1. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, freelance writing can be a lucrative venture. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer countless writing opportunities ranging from blog posts and articles to copywriting and editing. Clients often pay through mobile money, providing a convenient way to receive your earnings. Number 2. Content creation on social media. Influencer marketing is on the rise, and brands are constantly seeking individuals with engaging content and a loyal following. If you have a passion for creating content, platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok offer monetization opportunities through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue. Payments can be received via mobile money, offering a convenient way to monetize your online presence. Number 3. Online tutoring. With the shift towards online learning, the demand for online tutors has surged. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, platforms like Tutor.com and VIPKid enable you to teach students from around the world. Payment methods often include mobile money transfers, allowing for seamless transactions. Number 4. Graphic design. For the creatively inclined, graphic design offers a myriad of opportunities to showcase your talent. Whether designing logos, posters, or social media graphics, platforms like 99 Designs and Design Crowd connect designers with clients seeking quality visuals. Payment is typically facilitated through mobile money, simplifying the payout process.